With Mac here today with another video. First of all, I wanted to say the funniest thing is I started this video uploading. I started recording this video like three times. First time I recorded, my mic was not connected properly, so the entire time I spent on recording, it got disrupted. Second time I recorded and I went on live on StreamYard. Unfortunately, I haven't upgraded my plan, so my voice is not heard by anyone. You cannot listen to my voice; it's completely mute. So this is the third attempt I'm going to record, and I hope this is going to reach you out. And today I'm going to speak about the topic CMA, Institute of Certified Chartered Accountants of Sri Lanka. So this is one of the easiest qualification, not easiest actually, the cheapest qualification to achieve in order to earn a bigger revenue. If you do not know what is Commerce with Mac, let me explain you briefly. Commerce with Mac is a YouTube channel which targets audience and educates them accounting, economics, business studies, and provide them career guidance on finding out the correct financial qualifications to their education. So let's move on to the next point on CMA. So I'm going to speak about these few contents today. So let me show you how it works. The first few things which I'm going to show you today is this. So we're going to learn what is CMA today. We're going to see the entry requirements. Let me make my screen a bit smaller. So we'll have a complete view on what I'm going to speak. And also we're going to speak about CMA syllabus, examination structure. And also we're going to see CMA pass marks, CMA fee structure, CMA exemptions, and CMA salary skills. And then finally, we're going to see the recognition of this qualification. So to be honest, many students ask the question, is there a big difference between CMA and CMA? One thing I say, if you're targeting to go to Europe, study your UK qualification, CMA is better. If you're targeting to earn something better in your country and also like in Sri Lanka and also trying to get a job in a Middle East, of course, I will prefer CMA. So these are the way I can explain you how smoothly getting a qualification. So let's see what is CMA. The CMA qualification is an affordable, locally and globally recognized professional qualification which is open to all who wish to become professional management accountants. The CMA professional qualification is a course specializing in strategic management accounting, leading to produce professional certified management accountants. CMAs are generally focused on the future of business and not the past. They use financial management and other information to direct strategic and operational decision making, targeted at helping organizations move forward. CMA earned their professional designation through rigorous and highly specialized accreditations process. This will include a five-level examination structure, including an integrative case study and a three-year practical training. So let me explain you how simple is CMA. CMA means management accountant. It's not about marketing. It's not about accounting. So I'm speaking about management accountants. So who are management accountants? Management accountants are the people who can actually focus about the future of the organization, who can actually make the company successful by thinking about the future, not the past. So if you are a financial accountant, then of course it's ACCA or CA. I'm speaking about a management accountant who can do variance analysis, who can actually make a budget to the company, like marketing budget, operations budget, management budget. All these budgets are prepared by a management account. So CMA is training to you to become a management account. That is the first thing you need to have in your mind. With that, we are going to move on to the next topic. We're going to speak the entry requirements. So what are the basic entry requirements you must have in order to become a CMA, to get into CMA? So minimum passes in your GCO level, like six passes, and also English language and mathematics becomes a necessary subject. You might see, apart from this, there are different ways you can get into this qualification. I have given here. Let me read it one by one. I don't want to hurry because this is my third attempt. I don't want to rush it, and let's go one by one. A relevant degree from a University of Sri Lanka or any other university approved by the Council of the Institute, membership of the Sri Lanka Government Accountants Service, final examination of the Institute of Chartered Secretaries and Administrators UK, final examination of the Institute of Financial Accountants UK, final examination of the Association of the International Accountants UK, final examination of Institute of Bankers of Sri Lanka or London, final examination of Chartered Institute of Marketing. If you've done one of these qualifications, you can enter into CMA. And one of the best thing, if you have done one of these qualifications, you can also get exemptions directly. So let's move on to the next topic. We can have, if you have done CAP 1, you can get into, and also if you have done any qualification, like any qualification related to CMA, of course, the board will go through, I mean, the institution will go through your qualification. If it is a qualification to be exempted, of course they will accept. Next thing, now if you are done double it second stage, I mean first stage you have completed, you can enter into this final examination of International Association of Bookkeepers. Much less awareness I have on this, so I'm not going to speak on that. A candidate who has passed on any examination indicating the exemption policy is eligible to register as a student. So you have to have like they have an exemption policy, which I'm not going to speak on this video again because we don't have much time. But there are exemptions like CA, CMA. You can come with the route like Deakin University degrees. Of course, you can get into this. Candidates who do not have credit pass in English and mathematics, like you have not taken C's on your O levels, then of course you can show your show your results from any other area. Like you can see a subject pass in business communication, business mathematics in another professional or university examination will be eligible to register as a student provided other entry requirements are met. So if you have possessed a pass in any other way apart from the GCO level, you can present that and get yourself confirmed into CMA. The new entry which I really love to speak is mature entry. If you are 18 years of age and you have 2 years minimum experience, if your employer requests you to go and study this, of course with a letter from your employer, you can still enter into CMA. So that's one of the easiest route if you're not having qualification, if you're not having a background to enter into this. Now, one good thing which I see from mature entry, you don't want to like you can be average performer. You would have not taken good results in your max, so still you can get a chance get into a qualification like this. The disadvantages, there are disadvantages about this qualification. What disadvantage you can feel is like if you are not passed in your O levels, of course you can't get into this. But apart from that, the advantage we should see, the plus point is the mature entry. Still, if you have done a great job in your experience and also the employer loves you to get this qualification, of course you can do it. So don't give up on like I have taken lower results on my previous years, and how can I complete a qualification like this? Not like that everyone can perform. Even I was an average student, but I have done a lot of things in my life. So moving on to the next topic, CMA syllabus. What is CMA? So CMA have 5 levels, starting with foundation, operational, managerial, strategic, and apex level. So what is this foundation? Like these five levels has few streams. The streams is what we say skill development stream, management accounting stream, financial accounting and finance stream, business management stream, and support stream. So the entire CMA is made out of these 5 streams with 5 levels. Let's see what is the first stage. First stage foundation. For first stage, we say it as foundation level. You can see. So foundation level have certain papers: management accounting fundamentals, financial accounting and finance fundamentals, fundamentals of management and economics, quantitative methods for business English. So moving on to the second level, we have operation level 2. So what are you going to have in operation level 2? Management accounting, advanced financial accounting and finance, management, business operations management, people's management, marketing, business law and taxation, business English 2, information technology applications. You might see here OL1, OL2, OL3. This is operation level. In short term, they put OL1. Let's move on to the third level. Third level we say as managerial level. And you have 5 more papers you need to do: advanced management accounting, corporate report and analysis, managing projects and information systems, corporate law and advanced taxation, professional qualification. So moving on to the next fourth level, strategic level, we say. And what are the papers in strategic level? Strategic management accounting, financial strategy and valuation, business strategy and risk management, corporate governance, 40% control strategy, 40% and ethics. So moving on to the last one, Apex CMA syllabus Apex level 5. You have integrity case study, computer-based accounting. So computer-based accounting means you can do the exams through computer. You must do the exams through computer, a skills paper. So most probably you need to do an integrated case study. That is the level 5. So you will be spending most of the time in your 4 levels, and the last level it's easy if you take it easy. If it's hard if you take it hard. So moving on to the point, examination structure. You have a few things like management accounting fundamentals is also known as MA. Financial accounting and finance fundamentals is known as FA. Fundamentals of management and economics FME. Quantitative methods of business is known as QMB. Skills course unit business English is BE1. So which means foundation structure. I'm speaking about this every term to know the paper code. If you know the paper code, it's very easy. Of course, it's easy to know which paper it is. So in operation level, management account is known as AMA, advanced financial accounting and finance is known as AFF, managing business operations is known as MBO, commercial law and taxation is known as BLT, Skill course unit, Business English 2 is BE2, Information Technology Applications is known as ITA. And then examination structure level 3, managerial level. You have advanced management accountant, corporate reporting. So advanced management accountant, you say AMA, corporate report and analysis, you say CRA, managing projects and information system, you say NPI, corporate law and advanced taxation, CLT, skill course unit, PC. So then we move on to the last level, the fourth level, strategic management accounting, SMA, financial strategy and valuation, FSV, business strategy and risk management, BSR, corporate governance and control, strategy and ethics, GCE. On the previous video of my double AD's explanation, I said that I will be doing a CMA video, and also I said that I'll be doing CIMA and ACCA. So after doing CMA, we're gonna do for CIMA, and of course I'll be doing a video for ACCA. Then I'll be teaching you how to become a member of double AD, how to become a member of CMA, how to become a member. So those areas I'll be speaking. And also, still, if you have any questions on this video, comment under the comment section so I can come out of a video and explain you in a better approach. So level 5 Apex is that integrated case studies ICS, skill course unit is known as CBA. So what is the pass marks of an exam in CMA? So you might have like 50 is the minimum pass you can see here. So this is the minimum pass you need to take. And apart from these marks, you need to know that there are distinction, good pass, bad pass standard, failure, bad failure. So you should be able to understand that if you are going to get into A, you are getting good distinction. B means good pass, C means pass standard. So D means it cannot pass, it's failure. So it is less than 50. So then we move on to the next part, examination structure. This is where students are so concerned how much we need to pay to get into this qualification. So you can get a new registration is 4,500, annual subscription is 2,500, annual subscription late payment is 3,000. CBA, if you're studying in different country, of course you can log into that, but the exam fees is a bit costly compared to the payment which you are paying in Sri Lankan rupees. I will explain that. So I'm not much familiar with speech craft program and transcript data, but new student ID card, of course, you know how it works. So we move on to the next part, examination fee structure. If you're doing foundation level, per paper you should pay 4,150, but if you are from abroad, you should spend 35. So abroad means it can be any country apart from Sri Lanka. So the pounds, like the amount will be around 12,000. So it's costly if you are being in an outside country. Operation level 4,500, 40 pounds. Managerial level 5,250, 45 pounds. Strategic level 6,250, 50 pounds. Apex level case study 9,500, 70 pounds. CBA you can have 8,500. IT practical exams 3,750, 40 pounds, and IDA workshop 3,500. So what might be the annual subscription fee once you have become a CMA student? Still you need to pay yearly 2,500, and also if you surpass the time 31st January, you will be paid charged the amount of 3,000 and 3,250 as a penalty. What might be your membership fee if you are going to be a CMA member? So first you will be converted into AMA, then with your experience you can change it to ACMA. So 12,500 to 15,000. So when you are upgrading to FCMA, 15,000. Again, annual subscription if you are a AMA 4,500, ACMA 9,500, and FCMA 11,000. So it's not that costly compared to ACCA, because I'm a person who is coming from a background of ACCA. For me, it's very costly. Per paper, we spend around 70,000 today's amount, and if you compare 4,500, it's not a big deal. Your maximum amount of cost will be around 200,000 even for your exams. But if you are going to ACCA, you need to spend at least 14 papers. You need to at least have 1 million to do the exams. Of course, it's costly. So moving on to the point we want to speak, Open University of Sri Lanka says that they are providing you a Bachelor of Management Studies of the department, and they are saying that if you're done, they have 4 years duration, saying that level 3, level 4, level 5, and 6, and students can get marketing or HRM in level 6. They can actually opt into the program and get the qualification. But if you are a CMA person who are done operation level and the basic level, which is the foundation level, you can still get into this degree. You need to do 2 years. But if you have completed the CMA, I think you need to do only the last year, which is the sixth. Yeah, this is an assumption, guys. From this, if you read it, you will understand the same way. If I have explained it to you wrong, comment under comment section. Association of Chartered Certified Accountants (ACCA), you get 7 exemption out of 14 papers. If you have CIMA, you get if you have complete CMA, you get foundation and operation level exempted. And also you get IFA if you have completed the CMA, Certified Management Accountant, Certified Management Account, CMA Ontario, CGA Canada. But if you are going to get CGA Canada, certified general accountants of Ontario, you will get only 12 subjects. So I'm not much into the CG Ontario. You can click this site, and if you really watch this video, like if you can type this website and see, of course you can find it out. So CP Australia, of course you have completed your CMA along with a degree, you can get CP Australia. So we move on to the last one of CMA exemption, which is Deakin University says that if you have completed your foundation and your operation level, of course you can get an exemption. First year and second 2 years you need to be able to do. And if you have done the entire CMA, of course they give a lot of papers, and you can see a CMA member of CMA offered exemption of 6 credits from MBA program offered by Deakin University. So you can directly get into MBA if you have done completely CMA. So that's a good thing which I see. This is an estimation which I have made. I don't know, this is an assumption I have actually calculated. If you are in Sri Lanka and you have completed CMA with 2 years of experience in accounting, you can get 75,000 above. If you are in Middle East, you can get 500,000, which is 5,000 dirham or 5,000 real, whatever it is. But if you are in Europe, you can get 800,000 rupees. If you are earning more than this, comment in the comment section. Let our students see how much a CMA student can earn. The recognition, you can see membership of international accounting bodies is that it is a full member of the International Federation of Accountants. IFAC is a global organization for the accountancy profession with 175 members and associates from 130 countries representing 2.84 million accountants in public practice, education, government service, industry, and commerce. CMA Sri Lanka was admitted as a member of International Federation of the Confederation of Asian Pacific Accountants (CAPA), member of the South Asian Federation of Accountants (SAFA). The other members are from Chartered Accountant and Management Account Bodies of India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and Nepal. So you might see that they have recognized themselves in IFAC, CAPA, SAFA. So these are the bigger qualification in world, and almost 130 countries is approving your qualification. That's awesome. So you can start working anywhere if you have completed CMA. So this main part of this video, I might have missed certain areas. You might have questions. Comment under comment section, and also don't forget to subscribe. Commerce with Mac. Next week we'll come up with a new video about CMA as soon as possible. Have a nice day, guys. Thank you for subscribing Commerce with Mac. Thanks a lot.